should do. Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible.
Thanks for coming again to When the Styles. Cutting your hair is just one of the biggest decisions ever in your life. And in today's video, we have numerous styles to count on, like that kind of style to give you that gorgeous look. So if you really want a fresh start, this beautiful haircut, this is a boy's cut, and I just love those love designs at the back, and there you can see just a little fade. It can go for beautiful women who just want that simple beautiful hairstyles for themselves, and those hairstyles also can go for the matured black women. You can see how this cut really scream classy. And one thing about the style too is that is a part of haircut that we definitely take many years of your age. And this style, I just love those zigzag, and you can see the slick at the back, really commanding that attention to your back. Whether choosing a haircut with coils at the front or maintaining this sleek haircut which you're seeing on the screen, it always allows for that personalized and eye-catchy expression. One thing with other styles is that these are one of the best ways for you to try wearing your short hair, because this hairstyle will always bring out the neat look you really want. And you can see the beautiful patterns on some of them. You can go for them or decide to go just simple as this finger wave on the screen without a pattern. And you can see how she also comes out looking good, because not everybody loves those patterns. Some just want it simple. Just have your stylist cut your hair to this short or even length, and then apply those softeners to always bring out those neat look. This is another gorgeous style. I just love those coils on top. I love this Pixie. This is also a good beautiful style that is a little edgy, and you can see how it made her look so incredible. This hairstyle really suits her face, suits her color, and can suit all kind of face shape. You can see the style. This particular style, I just love the color. The color is just what attracted me to this style. And you can see how the stylist uses less time to create this haircut. And one thing with the style is a low maintenance haircut, and to always save you those precious moments you spend in the mirror, like in the morning, and you really want to catch some well deserved sleep. Also, those finger waves, you can also learn how to create your own finger waves right in your house and in front of your mirror. Who said that short natural hairstyles have to be boring? Just add some beautiful styles like this. So if you really wish, you can also add some splash of colors to your hairstyles to always enhance some beautiful look, which you've seen here on this video. So this hairstyle is cute. It's so loving. Like, I just love the style, and I think I'm gonna use one of it at least for my thumbnail, because it's so beautiful and it's edgy and sophisticated. So guys, you can see the style too is also an effortlessly style that combines that kind of casual and refined look. I also want you guys to see the review of this hair. You won't even notice that little cut like the alopecia or whatever at the back. So you can see even with the color platinum looking so beautiful on her. Beautiful women, I notice they are going these days for the platinum color. Everybody want to look so good. Everybody want to look so refined. Like, it's a great choice for those who really appreciate that blend of elegance and natural ease, like in their appearance. So you see the styles are one of the best styles you can think of and also try. So nothing is as simple as to create this easy short natural haircut, because the style is best for those looking for simplicity. So just let yourself shine with this classic hairstyle at the next event you attend. Let me just let you guys to please check out the rest of the videos. If first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. God bless you guys and see you guys in my next video.
Lord, women, just try to create this beautiful hairstyle and really allow the focus on your beautiful face in that occasion. God bless you guys and see you guys at the end of the video.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much.